Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC development over the past weeks. In this release, interview with Nikita Ostapenko, CEO of uTerra Middle East AGRO Industries. New strategy for science funding. Expert material on soil formation. Let us not waste time and get straight to the first event. CEO of uTerra Middle East AGRO Industries, Nikita Ostapenko gave a great interview to SWC team. He explained in detail how the construction of the uTerra plant is progressing, what areas his team is currently focusing on, and what we can expect in the coming months. There is currently a growing interest in investment in science around the world. Many successful startups of the recent past have proven this approach to be correct. And if previously, the development of medicine or promising scientific developments were carried out only at the state level, now even a simple investor can influence the industry. Read about new funding opportunities and perspectives in the material. Soil formation is a complex process. A centimeter layer of soil takes 100 to 200 years to form and years to break down. The article covers the importance of soils and the functions they fulfill, how pollution of the fertile layer affects human health, the environment, and the economy, as well as how each of us can help nature. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you next time.